Hello friends, welcome to Riona's kitchen. Today I am going to share a completely new recipe which is chicken taza. In India, taza means fresh. I am sure you haven't yet tried this recipe before. I am confident that this recipe will be equally popular in the European continent. You can try this recipe with white rice or butter rice or any kind of bread. Here are the ingredients for my recipe. White oil. You can also take sunflower oil or vegetable oil. I have some poppy seeds. It's an Indian spice and you can easily find it in any Indian store. Then I have some cashew nuts, 3 medium-sized onion, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. You can use crushed pepper as well. 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 4 to 5 chilies, fresh cream, and finally the chicken. I have some chicken leg pieces, but you can take any type of pieces. First, I am going to chop the onions and then I'll make a fine paste with the cashew nuts and the poppy seeds separately. First, I am going to turn on the burner and put the pan on it. Then I am going to add 2 tablespoons of white oil. Let the oil heat up. Now I am adding the chopped onion. I'll fry the onion at least for 1 minute. Now I'll add the garlic paste and the ginger paste. Mix it well. And after 2 to 3 minutes, I'll add the chicken pieces. Now I'm going to add the chicken pieces. The chicken must be fried nicely so that you don't have to boil it for a longer time. At least 5 to 6 minutes I'll fry the chicken pieces. In the meanwhile, I'll make a fine paste of cashew nuts with some cold water and separately I'll make a paste of poppy seeds. For your information, I fried the chicken in low to medium flame. Now I'm going to add the cashew nuts paste, and the paste of poppy seed. Mix it well, at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of warm water. And also I am adding the chilies. Here I have some 4 to 5 chilies, but according to your taste, use the numbers of chilies. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix it well. Now I'll cover the pan with the lid at least for 15 minutes. In the medium to low flame. Let's check it. Yeah, it's done. Now I'll turn the burner off. And finally, I'll put 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Mix it well. Now again I covered the pan with the lid for the standing time at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Today's recipe chicken taza is ready to be served. It's a very less spicy recipe and kids will equally enjoy this recipe. Please try the recipe and let me know your experiences through comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye for today. We'll see you soon with a new recipe again.